started making mobiles, probably 15 years ago. There's a lot of things in our lives, like leftover jewelry and shells and things that we collect that end up in little boxes or bowls, and it's really fun to string them up and make them into a moving sculpture. I've always loved kinetic art, and because it changes all the time. And these are really fun to have both inside and outside. And there's almost always room from the ceiling, even if you're out of wall space. You can usually find a place to hang a mobile. And so showing the kids it's just a different form of art. And I will probably keep making these for the rest of my life just because I enjoy it so much. And I'm normally a painter, but I also like sculpting a lot. And this is some of the sculptures that I do. And I also incorporate a lot of clay pieces that I make, as well as along with the natural things. So I'm glad that you're tuning in.